Time for the video every dropshipping guru refuses to make honestly. How much money did I actually make? No rented Lamborghini, no blurry bank screenshots. No, I made $50,000 in my first week nonsense. Just the real, unglamorous numbers and what they taught me. The final number is the one that actually matters, and it's not what you'd think. Month 1, I made negative money. Yes, negative. I spent on ads, a domain, an app or two, and made almost no sales because I was selling a product I liked to an audience of nobody. My net was a confident, proud loss. Month 2, I made about $40 in profit. $40 after a month of work. But, and this matters, it was profit. Real strangers gave me real money for a real product. The machine worked, just tiny. What changed everything was fixing my leaks. I was making sales, but losing tons of potential ones. I researched actual demand with Jaja SEO, Jajo.com, so I stopped selling to nobody. 300 free credits. And I discovered I was losing after-hours customers to my sleep, so I added Jaja Helper, jayahelper.com, to answer people 24/7. My conversion rate climbed the week I stopped ignoring midnight shoppers. 2 lines of code, free to start. Month 3 through 6, this is where it got real. Not Lamborghini real, but quit worrying about rent real. Once I had free traffic from content, bashed with VidFlood, vidflood.com, 20 free cuts, so I didn't die of editing, plus a store that converted and answered customers, the numbers grew steadily. Not overnight. Steadily. Like an actual business, which is apparently what this is. Here's the honest truth about the numbers. Dropshipping income is not a lottery jackpot. It's a slow, compounding build. The people showing you Lamborghinis are making money selling you the dream of Lamborghinis, not from dropshipping. Real dropshipping income looks like a boring line going gradually up and to the right, powered by unglamorous consistency. Now the final number that actually matters, and it's not a dollar figure. It's the number of hours my business runs without me. Because a store that only makes money when I'm personally grinding isn't wealth, it's a job with extra steps. The real win wasn't a specific income. It was building something that serves customers, posts content, and makes sales while I sleep. That number, the hours of freedom number, is the one worth chasing. So no, I don't have a Lamborghini. I have a modest, steadily growing store that runs largely on its own and pays my bills without owning my life. Unsexy? Completely. Real? Absolutely. And I'll take real over rented every single time.